Amid the escalating use of drones on modern battlefields, American and British troops are conducting a high-intensity training campaign across Poland and Germany under a multinational initiative known as Project FlyTrap. This large-scale effort, spearheaded by the U.S. Army's V Corps, launched in June 2025 and will continue until late August. The program's most crucial stage, FlyTrap 4.0, took place from July 27 to 31 at the Bemowo-Piski training range near Elk, Poland, where the U.S. 2nd Cavalry Regiment joined forces with Britain's Royal Yorkshire Regiment for simulated, long-duration combat operations at company and battalion levels. This iteration of the project is aimed at accelerating the development of tactical counter-unmanned aerial systems, C-UAS, to meet the evolving challenges posed by hostile drones on the battlefield. The drills replicate real-world conditions, forcing participating units to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats using cutting-edge tools, including handheld electronic jammers, kinetic intercept systems, and sensor fusion technologies. According to V Corps Commander General Charles Costanza, exercises like FlyTrap are critical to reshaping NATO's battlefield doctrine as small, low-cost, autonomous drones become an increasingly common weapon of war. FlyTrap 4.0 marked a new milestone for the program by involving private sector expertise in the field exercises. Australian defence firm DroneShield, a specialist in counter-drone technologies with operational experience gained in Ukraine and other conflict zones, provided its drone gun Mk4 systems for live testing. These were employed by both U.S. and British soldiers, giving troops hands-on experience with advanced countermeasure platforms under combat-like conditions. Tom Brandstetter, DroneShield's Vice President of Business Development, emphasized that this collaboration allows the military to validate next-generation solutions before they reach widespread deployment. During the exercise, participants also pushed the boundaries of C-UAS tactics. For the first time in a U.S. Army training scenario, a live grenade was dropped from a drone, executed in partnership with personnel from the 7th Army Training Command, the Joint Multinational Training Group Ukraine, and the 173rd Airborne Brigade. This test provided valuable insights into how enemy drones could be used in frontline attacks and how Allied forces can develop countermeasures to neutralize such threats effectively. Project FlyTrap is more than a technology trial, it's a cornerstone effort to strengthen NATO interoperability in contested airspaces. The program is conducted under the Enhanced Forward Presence framework, with contributions from U.S., British, Croatian, and Romanian forces, aligning multinational doctrines and boosting collective readiness against hybrid warfare threats. Findings from FlyTrap 4.0 are expected to guide future procurement decisions and capability development across U.S. Army Europe and its allied partners. By combining battlefield lessons learned, proven commercial tech, and close-knit multinational cooperation, Project FlyTrap is shaping the future of drone defense. As drones become a defining factor of modern conflict, such initiatives are set to play a decisive role in ensuring that Allied ground forces maintain the upper hand against rapidly evolving unmanned threats.